Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to complete the challenge that I gave you in the previous lesson. So let's go to Google and type Docker MySQL, for example, and it's way easy. You can just click on the first result. You will see that it takes you straight to Docker Hub, and then here you will see the command to pull the image. Now remember that if you do this, then you will be downloading the latest version of this image. So let's try this, and this will download the latest version of the MySQL image to our local computer. Now let's try to download a different tag. Let me pick up the 5.7. So that will be Docker pull MySQL 5.7, and this will download the version 5.7. So let's hit enter and see what happens. So great. As you see here, we already had some layers which were pulled previously using this command, and now Docker is trying to pull a different version of this image, but Docker figured out that you already had some layers which are used by this image, and then Docker will not download these layers again because they already exist in your local machine. So Docker will reuse these layers, and on top of these layers Docker will download the missing things. So this is great. Now it comes a question. Okay, we have downloaded like 4 images, but where are our images? How can I find my images? How does an image look like? And well, to find our images or to see the images that we have downloaded or the images that we have, we can type Docker images. And if you hit enter, then you will see a list of all the images that you have. It doesn't matter if you downloaded the images from Docker Hub or if you created those images. All the images that you have will be displayed by typing this command, Docker images. So don't worry about these images because these were images that I had previously, but here we have the images that we downloaded. We downloaded MySQL 5.7. We downloaded MySQL, the latest version. We downloaded the latest version of Nginx. Now, let's say that I don't want this image anymore. For some reason, I made a mistake and I don't want this image here. Now, how do I delete this image? Well, it's pretty simple. You do docker RMI, which stands for remove image, and you can pass the name or the ID. But keep in mind something. If your image has a tag, then you need to provide the tag of the image. So let's say Nginx. If I do this, then I will be deleting this image because I am passing no tags, and no tags mean the latest version. So if I hit enter, then you see that the image was deleted, but if you type Docker images, the image is no longer there. But if you want to delete, for example, this image, then you need to do docker RMI, pass the image, the image name, which is Nginx, colon, and then you need to provide the tag for that specific image. And if you do this, then the image will be deleted. Now, if you type Docker images again, we don't have that image anymore. Great. So now say that we want to delete this using the ID, which is exactly the same thing. You can delete images passing the ID. So say that you want to delete this image, so you copy and paste it, hit enter, and great. The image is gone. It's no longer there. So cool. We already deleted all of the Nginx images. We already know how to see images. We know how to delete an image. And we know how to use tags in images. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next lesson.